Mm-hmm. 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 All right, let's get after this. Welcome back. So we've been invited to another collaboration. This is our first one for 2024. It is, what is it? It is tailgate time. It's time for football. I know nothing about it. I don't, I'm sorry. My friends Tiffany at Mascara Homestead and Tony at Kettle Kitchen, they are co-hosting a collaboration. Like I said, it's tailgate time. Very excited. It is Tiffany's first collaboration she's running. And they invited me, and here we are. This is a collaboration. There will be a playlist. It's going to be posted on Mascara's Homestead channel as soon as she can get all those on there. So there'll be one a day, I believe, maybe two. But you're going to find a lot of great recipes that you can use at your tailgate or your football party. So it'll be a live giveaway. It's a small one, but it'll be 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on February 4th. So you won't want to miss that. There's several ways to win. One is to watch each one of these videos and comment on them, and then be there live for some hashtag giveaways. So pretty exciting, as all collaborations are. This is a very unique one, and I'm so proud of Tiffany for her idea on this. I'm gonna get after this. I'm gonna be making a recipe that I think would be what Tiffany is looking for. She wants to see something in our recipes that are about us. So one of the things I love in the winter months is like a pig in a blanket. And my husband loves jalapeno poppers, and he made some not too long ago with the, what do you call them, Dove, and they were awesome. So now I've become a fan. So I'm gonna marry the two. I found a recipe, but I'm tweaking it off of Pinterest, and I'll link it, and then my version of the recipe. But it's jalapeno sausage pig in a blanket, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be yummy. But this is the first time I'm making them. Not too hard. Here we have our 8 ounces of cream cheese that's room temperature. We're gonna add 1 cup of your preference of cheese. I've got a Mexican blend that's Parmesan. I don't know what's all in here, but it's called the 4-blend Mexican cheese. It was already shredded in the store. I got a 1/2 cup of bacon, and the recipe has for a 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt. And then there was something called Slap Your Mama, and I don't have a Slap Your Mama, but I do have a Picky's the Rub spice. You can use anything you want. You can make it as spicy, as non-spicy as you want. Since I'm not that big of a spicy person, I'm gonna do a 1/4 of a teaspoon, of the rub. The rub, it's more, you can use it for so many different things. It's not too spicy. It's spicy enough. It's perfect if you ask me. And that is developed by Alyne, and she has a show called, a channel called Alyne's Welcome to My Kitchen. Go check that out, and I'll put her link in the bottom. So we're gonna incorporate this all together. I'm gonna put some muscle into it, and then I'll bring you back when we're ready to put together our jalapeno pigs in the blanket. All right, I've got my 1/4 of a jalapeno, and that is what the recipe calls for. I'm gonna add some of our cream cheese mixture right on top, and this is probably gonna get a little messy. That's okay, so we can wash our hands. And I'm probably going to use my fingers a little bit to help mold this. And then I've got one of our little smokies I'm gonna place right here on top. And then I'll take our croissant roll and I'll place it right around here. And then I'll put it on the cookie sheet. Okay. I'm gonna make a few of these. We'll put them in the oven at 350, and then we'll show you what they look like. look at these. Ooh. I don't know, look pretty good to me. Okay, so this is a take on something that I would like, the pig in the blankets, and what Johnny would like, the stuffed peppers, jalapeno peppers. And look how yummy those look. Let's see, I'm not doing very good with this. All right, we're gonna go in for a taste. Oh yeah. I want to thank my friend Tiffany at Mascara at Homestead for inviting me, and Tony at Kettle Kitchen for co-hosting this. I love this kickoff to 2024. So this is going to be hard for me to say, but go Sooners, go Boomers. But I'm an OSU fan, even though I really don't know anything about football. Go Pokes.